The following segment is sponsored by Fidelity Investments. With annual enrollment season in full swing, many are facing the pressure of selecting a health benefit for the rest of the year. Data from Fidelity Investments shows that many individuals feel, quote, overwhelmed with annual enrollment, and 1 in 2 Americans are unfamiliar with a product that can help: health savings accounts. Joining us today to discuss in detail is Ryan. Welcome to the show, Ryan.
Hi, thanks for having me.
We are so glad to have you. Now, help us out. What are health savings accounts and who can access them?
So a health savings account, or HSA, is a tax-advantaged way to save and pay for healthcare costs now or in the future. So if you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, either through your employer or in the open market, it allows you to set aside funds to pay for qualified medical expenses without paying taxes on them. But many Americans are still unaware of HSAs, to your point, how they work or even what that tax advantage means.
Okay, you have me perked up with tax advantage. Everybody wants to know about that. What does that mean specifically?
Yes, it is one of the best features of an HSA. And this is the only type of investment account where you can get a triple tax advantage. So what does that mean? 1, the money you put in, your contributions, go in pre-tax. 2, you can use the money in your account to pay for qualified medical costs tax-free. And 3, you can also invest the money in your HSA, and any growth you see over time will be tax-free as well.
Okay, this is huge. What other features should people know about?
So there's a few of them. So we find that employers are increasingly making contributions to their employees' HSA, and we all love free money, so that's a great feature. But another key feature is that the HSA is yours to keep. It isn't tied to your job, and there's no use it or lose it rule either. So that means you won't forfeit any money you don't use each year, and you can carry it forward regardless of where you work. It's also important to know that qualified medical expenses are a lot more than doctor bills, co-pays, vision, and dental. And I'm talking things like therapy sessions, family planning, over-the-counter drugs, acupuncture, chiropractor visits, or even things like Band-Aids, glasses, contact solution, or your kids' braces. All could be covered with your pre-tax HSA dollars. And if you aren't using your HSA to pay for qualified medical expenses today, you can invest your leftover HSA funds to build your medical nest egg for down the road.
That's what I was going to say when you said if you don't use it, you lose it, and you are able to keep this. This could help you plan for retirement, which is so difficult these days, right?
Absolutely. It's a key role in your retirement plan. And in fact, when it comes to an expected healthcare costs, Fidelity estimates each individual will pay an average of $165,000 just on healthcare alone. So your HSA can be key. But additionally, if you've accumulated more money in your HSA than you need to cover your healthcare costs, your HSA dollars can be withdrawn penalty-free on non-medical expenses once you're 65 or older. So much like a 401k, you still need to pay income taxes on these withdrawals, but it serves as another option for additional retirement income if needed. But unlike 401ks, there's no required minimum distribution, so the money can continue to potentially grow tax-free until you need it.
Well, there is so much to learn about this, and thank you so much for the information today. If you want to learn more, the information is on your screen. Thank you, Ryan, for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.